Best practices for your six-figure online business. Here are the 8 best practices that we strongly recommend you follow to create a successful six-figure business. It is not easy to develop a successful online business, and we believe that if you follow these best practices, you will have the maximum chance of success. 1. Know the advantages of an online business. There are several advantages to starting and running an online business. You do not require a great deal of money to get started, and you can work from anywhere and at any time. Use these advantages to drive you to succeed with your online business. 2. Choose the right online business model. You have a choice of several online business models, and it is essential that you choose the right one. Think about the amount of money that you are prepared to invest in your online business, the skills that you have, and the time you have available. Choosing the wrong online business model can be a disaster. 3. Set up your online business properly. Make sure that you set up your online business properly. Don't use a free website service, and register a domain name and get some good web hosting. Install the WordPress blogging platform on your domain so adding content is easy. 4. Set goals for your online business. Set at least one goal and create a strong why statement for your online business. Some days the going will get tough, and you can use your goal and why statement to motivate you and drive you forward. Create a plan to make your online business a success. 5. Traffic generation. Once you have set up your online business, you must spend the majority of your time, effort, and money on generating traffic. Nothing is more important than this. If you don't get enough traffic, your online business will never be a success. 6. Promote your online business. Do everything that you can to get the word out about your online business. There are several free traffic and paid traffic methods that you can use. Free methods tend to take more time to show results. Control your spending with paid methods. 7. Create a 30-day plan. The first 30 days of your online business are critical, so create a plan that defines the way that you will approach things right from the start. Make sure that you cover all of the important tasks and provide a focus on promotion and traffic generation. 8. Scale your online business. Once you've got your online business to a certain level, you can scale it up to drive more traffic and make more money. Find reliable freelancers that you can outsource specific tasks to. Work on ranking your web pages higher in the search results. Reinvest some of your profits by increasing ad spend.